very different is about to happen. A nationwide test set to begin any moment. Don't be alarmed, it is just a test. In a couple of moments, I will disappear, and you will see this test, and then we'll be back about 30 seconds later, and we'll carry on with the broadcast. You have seen similar tests on your local stations. This will look and sound like those tests. The latest one will be conducted in the event of an actual emergency, and it's meant to provide information in a national crisis. So they're rolling out this national alert system. Remember, you cannot avoid it by flipping the channel. It's everywhere. The system was set up by President Harry Truman back in 1951 as a top-down chain of communication for civil defense, but he never used it. In fact, the system was only activated nationwide once, by accident, back in 1971, warning television stations to prepare for an announcement from the White House. The emergency alert system is primarily used for severe weather warnings. Again, this is only a test. That was only a test. And this is America Live. That was fun. Fox News alert now. Iran vowing no retreat in the face of a report that suggests it is secretly trying to build atomic weapons. Brand new hour here of America Live. Welcome. I'm Megyn Kelly. The UN's nuclear watchdog saying Iran has already developed the technology needed to build a nuclear bomb, and that it is now working on developing a warhead that fits on a missile. Today, however, Tehran's still insisting that its program is strictly for energy production, and now Washington promising new economic sanctions just days after reports that Israel was considering a preemptive military strike against Iran's atomic facilities. Rena Ninan is live in Jerusalem with more. Rena?
Hi, Megyn. The Israeli government took their time issuing a response to this report. There's a sense of vindication here in the government. They believe for years they've been trying to tell the international community that Iran does have a nuclear weapons program and that they're working towards a bomb. So they didn't want to come off as being too giddy or gloating about this report. And this is the official response. It just came out a short while ago today. And they said by the Prime Minister's office, the significance of the report is that the international community must bring about the cessation of Iran's pursuit of nuclear weapons. So, does this lend credibility for Israel launching a strike on Iran? Israel is said to have made a promise to the U.S. that they won't launch a unilateral strike. And we believe that's still the case. And Israeli officials tell us they are trying to work to get crippling sanctions against Iran. But the problem is China and Russia, to